Hello and welcome to Fix Your Smile. Beyond the Hollywood myth, unveiling the truth about veneers. Many people think veneers are fake teeth that all look the same. The truth is that modern veneers are custom-made, ultra-thin shells designed to enhance your natural smile, not replace it. They are a work of art and science meticulously crafted to fit your unique dental landscape. These thin coverings are bonded to the front surface of your teeth, acting like a new facade that can dramatically change color, size, shape, length. For anyone seeking to correct imperfections like stains, chips, minor gaps, veneers offer a powerful and transformative cosmetic solution that, when done right, looks indistinguishable from your natural teeth, only better. Veneers are more than just a quick fix. They are a long-term investment in your confidence and oral aesthetics. Think of them as a permanent contact lens for your tooth. They consider facial symmetry, skin tone, unique characteristics of surrounding teeth to create a harmonious and believable result. The goal is never to create a smile that screams, "I've had work done," but rather one that whispers of health, vitality, and natural beauty. It's about creating the best version of your own smile, allowing you to feel more self-assured in social and professional interactions. The decision to get veneers is a significant one, and it's surrounded by misinformation that can cause confusion and anxiety. My goal here is to cut through that noise with a calm, friendly, and clear-headed approach, much like the conversations I have with my own patients every day. We'll walk through this process together, step by step, without any complicated jargon. Imagine an edgy yet sweet background track from the YouTube audio library playing softly, setting a relaxed and modern tone as we explore everything you need to know. This isn't about pressure, it's about providing you with the knowledge to make an empowered and informed choice for yourself. A good candidate for veneers is someone who starts with a foundation of healthy teeth and gums. This procedure is cosmetic, meaning it's designed to improve the appearance of your smile, not to fix underlying dental health problems like severe decay or gum disease. The blueprint of a new smile, porcelain versus composite. When you begin to explore veneers, you'll find there are two primary materials to choose from, each with its own set of characteristics. Porcelain composite resin. Porcelain veneers are the gold standard in cosmetic dentistry for a reason. They are crafted from a strong, durable ceramic material with a translucent quality similar to natural tooth enamel. They catch the light, creating a lifelike, vibrant appearance. Porcelain is non-porous, resistant to staining from coffee, tea, red wine, other common culprits. Composite veneers. Applying a tooth-colored resin, the same used for dental bonding, directly onto the tooth, sculpted into shape chairside. Composite is typically more affordable, often completed in a single dental visit, no lab wait. Great for fixing smaller issues, budget-conscious solutions, trade-offs to understand. Composite is less expensive upfront, but more porous and prone to staining. Not as durable as porcelain, may need touch-ups or replacement, typically lasting around 5 to 7 years. Porcelain. Larger initial investment built for longevity. With care, porcelain can last 15 years or even longer, making them more cost-effective over time. Superior strength and stain resistance, less maintenance. Choice depends on goals, budget, lifestyle. During your consultation, your dentist will guide you. They will assess the condition of your teeth, discuss the cosmetic changes you wish to make, and explain which material would best suit your individual case. If you want the most durable, most natural-looking, most long-lasting result, porcelain. If you want a faster, more affordable fix for a minor imperfection, composite. The journey to a brighter smile, a step-by-step guide. The path to getting veneers is a carefully planned process. It typically unfolds over 2 to 3 appointments. It all begins with the initial consultation. You and your dentist will have an in-depth conversation about your aesthetic goals, what you like, what you dislike, what you hope to achieve. The dentist will examine your teeth and gums, take x-rays, and high-quality photographs. Once you agree on a plan, the next stage is tooth preparation. For porcelain veneers, a very thin layer of enamel is removed, usually about 0.5 millimeter. This ensures veneers sit flush and not look bulky. Precise impressions or digital scans are sent to a specialized lab, where technicians custom craft your veneers. You won't be left sensitive. Temporaries protect your teeth and let you test drive shape and size, then give feedback. At delivery, temporaries are removed, teeth cleaned, fit and color checked, and fine adjustments made. Once approved, veneers are cemented and cured. Excess is removed, your bite checked, and the smile polished. The most significant benefit of veneers is their ability to deliver a dramatic and immediate smile transformation. They correct multiple cosmetic issues at once and boost self-esteem, socially and professionally. High-quality porcelain is durable and stain-resistant. But the procedure is irreversible. Veneers can chip, and you still must care for teeth and gums. Thank you, and don't forget to smile. Like, share, and subscribe.